We can create a lookup table like this using a simple Xlookup function. In my past two videos, I've demonstrated how to do the same lookup table using DGET and VLOOKUP function. The links to these two videos are in the description. First, I'll go ahead and create the pull-down menu for the UUID. This step is not really necessary, but I like to do it anyways. So you're going to go to Data tab here and go Data Validation. And under Allow, you're going to say List, and the source is going to be the UUID itself, and hit Apply. What this does is it creates a pull down menu like this, and go ahead and select any UUID here. Next, we'll do the Xlookup. So equal Xlookup like this, open parenthesis. The first argument will be the UUID itself. If you want to make it into absolute, you're going to press F4 once. The second argument will be the UUID column itself on your database table, and then press F4 again to make it absolute, comma. The third argument will be the remaining of the column here, starting from column B all the way to the E and all the way down to all the rows here. And this one I'm going to make it to absolute reference as well by pressing F4 again. Close parenthesis and hit enter, and you can see that your database lookup is actually coming up in here. And now if you go ahead and make those changes on your pull down menu, you can see that the numbers are changing. And for some reason, if your database table is in a vertical format, no worries, you can actually use the same lookup formula here. I'm going to copy in my clipboard, hit escape, come out here. All you have to do is you have to nest that Xlookup into a transpose formula, and then like that, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, your data is presented vertically here. So if you change the UUID again, you can see that the horizontal data changes and the vertical changes as well.